Story 19. It is related that whilst some game was being roasted for Nushirvan the Just during a hunting party, no salt could be found. Accordingly, a boy was sent to an adjoining village to bring some. Nushirvan said, "Pay for the salt, lest it should become a custom and the village be ruined." Having been asked what harm could arise from such a trifling demand, Nushirvan replied, "The foundation of oppression was small in the world, but whoever came augmented it so that it reached its present magnitude. If the king eats one apple from the garden of a subject, his slaves will pull him up the tree from the roots. For 5 eggs, which the Sultan allows to be taken by force, the people belonging to his army will put 1,000 fowls on the spit. A tyrant does not remain in the world, but the curse on him abides forever." I took another, what's it called? Idea for a video, and I put stuff together. And one of the things was addressing this, thing about where people say, "Oh, it's small. You only focus on the big sins." Well, little sins pile into big sins. People think they can, take a bite of something here and there when the trips to the grocery store, but that piles up.